Wanna know how to import files from Figma in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So once you've opened up your Lovable AI, here you should be seeing this icon right here. So first things first, is simply log in on the top right side. We have also created a video on how to log in or sign up to Lovable AI, so make sure to watch it. Now once you have done that, here you should be provided with this screen right here. And now on the bottom right side, right below prompt, you should be seeing this plus icon. Just simply select it, and once you selected this plus icon, just simply select import from Figma. Now once that is done, your Figma community should open up, and now you should be under builder.io under Figma. So once this website loads up, you can just simply select a template or just simply import anything through Figma to your Lovable, and then just simply create a project. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily import a file through Figma. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.